Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's project we're going to be making a hanging banner and I'll show you what we'll be using in that project. Okay, so on Valentine's Day these wooden hearts came out from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and I painted this in the elephant gray, and so that's drying there right now. They also had, I don't know if you can tell, the shimmery placemat, which I knew I wanted to do something with it, so I purchased one of those. We are going to be using a wooden dowel, okay? We are going to be using twine to hang that. I didn't have enough ribbon, otherwise we would be going the ribbon route because we're going with the Glam today. So we are going to be using the, this is the iridescent glitter, and I got this from the Dollar General. And also the twine I got from the Dollar Tree. The elephant gray I got from Walmart, and then of course the Mod Podge, the glue gun, everything that I'm using to make this project is down in the description box below. So let's get started with the project. So what I thought I'd do first is I am going to glue over this piece of the placemat down to hold this down. I didn't feel like cutting into the fabric, so I'd rather just glue that down. So we can do it with the dowel or without the dowel there, just so long as you give yourself enough room. So we're gonna do that. Okay, in sections. Just make sure we're folding this. Then we're gonna lay that half down. It's easier to do it in sections so you stay straight. And so that's going to need a second to dry, so we just want to move that aside. And I want to start working on the heart over here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find the placement of the love sign before I start embellishing. Now we could either go with the love sign in the center, or we can off-center it a little bit. I'm going to go straight ahead. So I know I have plenty of room to embellish where nothing's going to get in the way. Now I am going to be using the rose mesh, which I purchased this off Amazon, but I do know you can purchase this over at Totally Dazzle. Okay, we're going to go around the heart with the rose mesh. Okay, so let's just do section by section. And so the rose mesh is easy to go around these bends here, and it will also help to hide the little hole where the hanger was. Okay. So this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Honestly speaking, the rose mesh by itself does this so much. You don't really have to do very much after this. Okay, we're almost finished, but this is what it looks like so far. Okay, guys, this is what that looks like so far. Isn't that beautiful, guys? All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna lay the love sign down. Okay, you want to make sure that's in the center. Okay, that's what that looks like so far. So now I am going to do a little bit more something, and I would like to just put a little bit of the fine iridescent glitter, a little bit around the sign, just for something extra. Not too much, but just a little bit. And while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and move this over here so we can work on the twine. So now, this is what this looks like so far. Now, what we can do is we can put a dot of glue here and here to stop this from moving back and forth, because I do like to show more of the dowel. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a dot of glue where I want it to stay. Okay, on both sides. And just push that down. Okay. So we're just going to give that a minute to dry. Okay. And so now what we're going to do is I kind of doubled up on the twine, and you can go as high and as low as you want. Now I'm going to start with this side because I know I'm going to put some glue on the dowel, and then I'm going to wrap some of that around that glue. Okay, because I don't want to do the tie with the twine toward the end. I just want to keep it like right here. So we're going to put some glue. Let me just get some glue sticks here. Okay, we're going to put some glue on the dowel. Then we're just going to kind of twirl around. And we want to lay that piece down with some more glue. Make sure you're careful. So now while that's drying, we want to move over to the other side. Okay, and make sure the spacing is exactly what you want. And then what you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to put some glue. want to twirl this around. I might have gone a little bit too much over, but there it is. Let me get these glue strings out of the way. So guys, this is what we have so far. Isn't that nice? I think that's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm pretty sure that's dry enough. I'm gonna turn this around, okay, over here, because I don't need to use these 6,000 now that I'm looking at it. All I need to do is put some glue, make sure there's enough glue on these sections here. I think that's more than enough. Then we want to sit this sign, this banner, this heart here right in the center of the banner. Okay, so this is what that's looking like, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I'm loving that. And let's see, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a row of the rose mesh along the top of the banner. What's wrong with my scissors today? This right along the top here. I think that would look absolutely gorge. Don't you think, guys? I like that. So yeah, let's try that. So let's lay this one down. Anything that needs to be cut off or cleaned up, we can do that after, right when I display that for you. Okay, guys, I think the banner came out exactly the way I envisioned it. I think this is beautiful, a beautiful gift. This was actually about $2, not counting the few strips of the rose mesh that I used and the galvanized metal. You only use one sign. Very inexpensive gift, but what a beautiful gift. Like I said, everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below. All of it, pretty much, except for the rose mesh Dollar Tree items. And thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.